Hey, I'm Curtis Martin from Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'm talking today about drying wood. We don't dry wood ourselves here. We pretty much buy everything that we need for the job we're doing. We get the materials from local hardwood distributors and purchase any amount of board footage we want. Usually, in some cases, if you're a small shop and they're a big operation, they want you to buy at least 500 board foot minimum limits in any kind of mixture of woods or single amounts. To give you an idea, 500 board feet would not fit in the back of a pickup truck. You're talking about boards probably 8-10 feet long, a stack 4 feet high, and maybe 8 feet wide. So it's a lot of wood. You don't want to get involved in buying large purchases like that. But if you just want to start small projects and get small pieces of wood, you can buy them already pre-kiln dried. However, if you do have availability to a lot of timber, maybe you own a large farm and you can cut the wood yourself. You can have a sawmill and you can cut it up. You can air dry the wood by stacking it. They're great articles and from fine woodworking and different things you can research on the internet on how to set up your own stacks to dry. The main thing about drying wood is you want to properly stack them. You want to stack everything. Stickers are the small piece of wood, usually a 1x1 that runs perpendicular to the board you're drying. If you improperly dry the wood, you're going to get a lot of warpage like this piece here. This is a piece of softwood, a piece of pine. This is a piece of walnut. It's been kiln dried. You can see the difference is one's a hardwood, a wood quality, furniture quality wood. The other is a construction material, more of a 2x4. The difference is when these come out of the kiln, this may be 20% moisture content. That's all they need to get it in a construction environment. Whereas this one here would be in a 8 to 10, 12% moisture content rating. It takes a lot more hours in the kiln, a lot more expensive, and when it comes out, of course, it's a lot better product for woodworking. But kiln drying is the way we go about buying our wood. We let the kiln masters that do it themselves guarantee us that the wood they're drying comes into us at about 10 to 12% moisture content. And that's, in a woodworking shop, what we need.